May 28th, 2021, 1:46 p.m., and I am officially done with teaching. There are several reasons why I decided ultimately that I was going to take a leap of faith and kind of just go where my gut instinct was pushing me toward. The first reason why it was the hardest decision probably of my entire life is because I always dreamed of being a teacher, and not only being a teacher, but I always dreamed of being a kindergarten teacher. The fact that I was able to achieve that dream so early in my career, I took that into consideration big time. But as you grow older, dreams change and things change. And I think that that's the reason why I ended up taking this leap. The last 3 years of my teaching career were phenomenal. I met so many amazing people, and that brings me to my next reason of why this was a really hard decision, and that is because of the kids. You guys, I am going to miss the kids so much. From getting hugs daily as they walk in through that door and those smiling faces, Miss Hull, or when it's my birthday and I get told 20 times from each kid that it's my birthday, happy birthday, Miss Hull, 20 times throughout the day. It's things like that that I'm gonna miss, as well as the things from the kids that I see their growth from the beginning of the year to the end of the kindergarten year. When they come in as kindergartners, they're babies. They don't know what a circle is or like how to form a circle. I remember the first year, my first year here, I was just winging it, honestly. But I had some other adults in here helping me, and I was gonna play a name game, and I said, okay, everyone hold hands and get in a circle. And then on 3, once we were in that circle, I said, on 3, we're gonna drop our hands and sit back down. And I said, 1, 2, 3, they dropped their hands and they sat back on their carpet spot, not in the circle form. So it's just things like that that I remember from my first years of teaching, or the first few days of school, and then to see them at the end when they're reading, they get along awesome. There's a community built in this classroom that I helped facilitate and helped foster. And of course, you know, you have those students who just give you trouble and make you question why you're here, but then when they get that light bulb moment, you have that, this is why I do what I do. You know, I talk about all the time how teachers don't get the recognition that they deserve, and I know that firsthand being a teacher. But one of the reasons why I want to step back as a teacher is so that then I can go into schools and be able to help those teachers that don't get recognized or that are having to spend their own money for all of the things that are in their classroom. It's been a hard day. I've been packing things up. I had to be out of the school by today, and it's really here. And it's hit me, but it hasn't hit me completely. that I'm not coming back next year. I think that it'll ultimately hit me the most in August when I'm not preparing for my new class and I'm not getting things all ready. Because right now it's summer. This is supposed to happen. I'm supposed to be on a break, and it's a 2-month break and then I return, but I'm not returning. I've been looking around the room thinking, wow, I remember when me and my parents and my Nana were here putting all of these things up. We put all of the bulletin boards up. I had made so many different things for my classroom. We put all of these posters up and just everything, and now I'm leaving some of it up for the next teacher and for the next class to hopefully enjoy, but just seeing it all taken down and the walls are bare and it's just not as colorful as it was. And so it's a lot to take in, the reasons why I did make this choice. I've seen firsthand, more than I could ever imagine, how much that me doing what I'm doing with our Furniture Flipping Teacher YouTube channel and what we have plans to do in the future, I've seen how much it impacts our viewers and our supporters and how much it inspires you guys to do similar things to what I'm doing, whether it be paying off student loan debt or saving up for a house or paying for your own children's college or buying a car or getting that confidence back or getting that creativity back because of something that you saw me do. I want to continue to inspire more people. So that is why I have made this decision to step back and resign as a teacher and go into full-time furniture flipping and being a full-time YouTuber. Neiman and I are so excited, and he's always worked for himself, and it's always been something that I'm like, wow, that's cool, because you don't have to answer to anyone or get up at this time or anything like that. And I think that seeing him being able to do that has also helped me realize that's something that I would love to also do. And so this transition is going to allow me and Neiman to both be working for ourselves as a team, building this business to what we really truly want it to be. I've been working 2 full-time jobs for the past 6 months, and it's been a lot of work. I don't put a face on the camera at all. I'm not fake because I know that you guys love the transparency. When I'm in front of the camera, that's truly how I'm feeling. Has doing teaching and furniture flipping exhausted me? To the max, to the max. I haven't been able to fully take care of myself. All of the different things that I want to accomplish, I haven't really been able to focus on. And so me stepping back as a teacher will allow us to do things like that. Neiman and I love to travel. We are planning so many fun, awesome opportunities, collaborations and the like, and we get to travel and we get to do it because it's part of our business, but we'll also get to do it because it's something that we want to do or a trip that we want to take because we don't have this built out schedule for us and we're not answering to anybody. So that was another huge thing that I was willing to resign for because it's an opportunity that I have never been a part of, and I'm excited that I got to take this opportunity and that you guys as supporters have allowed me to take this opportunity because we couldn't do it without you. Neiman and I are young. He's 26, I'm 25. We're young. We don't want to have any regrets. We don't have any obligations or commitments that we have to answer to. And so now is the time to be able to experience all of these things. Teaching is always going to be here. I can always come back to be a teacher if something doesn't quite work out the way that maybe we perceived it to work out, or if I just miss it so much that I want to come back. I plan on reaching out to teachers here at my school and also just some friends that I know that are teachers to come back, and that way I get the interaction with the kids that I'm gonna miss so much and still have that feel of being a part of the school community, because that's something that I really don't want to lose, but that also ties into how we are planning to support teachers. Neiman and I have been honestly surviving these past since January. Honestly, this has blown up so much, and between our content schedule and just answering comments and keeping up with Instagram and social media and things like that, you know, we've been trying to stay afloat. And now that it's summer, and now that I'm stepping back from teaching, we're gonna have so much excellent time for us to focus on those teachers as we have promised. We have not forgot about the teachers. We are constantly brainstorming and thinking about that side of FFT. So please continue to watch out for those videos. They'll be coming here in the next few months. You guys tell me all the time when you're watching my videos that I am truly a teacher, and I have that teacher voice and I have that teacher mentality, and that you guys are really able to learn a lot from me because of the way that I take it back to the basics and explain that. And I think that and I know that I am excited to be able to do that continuously for you guys. And that's just so many more people that I can impact in that way versus being in a classroom of just 25 kids. And don't get me wrong, 25 kids and being able to impact their lives has been one of the most rewarding things and experiences in my life. But I think that going forward, the amount of people that I'm going to be able to continue to impact, the amount of people that I've already impacted and inspired is inspiring to me, and I want to continue to do that on a daily basis. And so that has also helped play a huge part in this decision that I made to resign as a teacher. You know, I feel like all of us are here on this earth for a reason, and it's not taken me very long to realize that teaching is my reason. And whether it's in the capacity of a classroom or on YouTube teaching, this is truly my reason. And obviously I don't know what the future holds for FFT or for Neiman and I, but we know that with acting with good intentions, doing the hard work that we do day in and day out, and of course with your guys' support, which we cannot continue to thank you enough for all of your support, because we truly couldn't be doing this without you. We know that the best is yet to come, and we are so thankful for this opportunity. So thank you for allowing us to do what we love.